Learn how to purchase KULA within a few clicks. When you are logged into your account, you can check how much KULA you can buy for your Ethereum or Bitcoin by selecting Home from the menu. Enter the amount of KULA you wish to purchase. To make a purchase, click on the BTC or ETH value, or select Purchase from the menu. Input the Ethereum wallet address on which you want to receive your KULA tokens. Go to your wallet and copy the Ethereum wallet address. Select the input field which states Ethereum address to receive tokens, and paste the wallet address. Purchasing tokens will get you a 60% bonus in Phase 1, and a 40% bonus in Phase 2. The exact amount of bonus in KULA tokens you will receive is displayed in the green banner. If you like to complete your purchase, select if you want to pay with either Bitcoin or Ethereum. An order is placed and a unique wallet is created for your account. You can now copy your unique wallet address by clicking on the icon alongside it and open your personal wallet. Click Send, and paste the wallet address. Confirm that you have copied the correct address by comparing the addresses carefully. Copy the amount of Bitcoin or Ethereum you have to transfer from the purchase screen. Select and copy the amount. Paste the amount and consider the network fees. If your wallet does not add the estimated fees, then you need to add these manually. If you send a different amount than selected in your order, you will receive KULA tokens based on the amount sent. All you have to do now is wait for the network to confirm the transaction. Bitcoin transactions generally take longer than Ethereum transactions. Depending on network congestion, it may take up to 45 minutes for transactions to be processed. Keep an eye on your mailbox. You will receive an email once the transfer is received. If you have not received a confirmation within 24 hours, please contact customer service at kulaplaza.com and our friendly team will provide support. Take note of some important information. The successful purchase is automatically updated in your account. You can view the number of tokens received in your KULA wallet. Purchase more tokens at any time by repeating this process.